What's up, guys? It's Raf in the Rafcave. We're kind of on location right now. This is my gym because I don't have any lights on in the basement due to not having any internet at the moment. So bear with me. All right, guys. If you've been on my journey here through Wi-Fi routers, I have come to the conclusion that Netgear is the brand to go with because of their apps and their stability of the mesh network. So, with that being said, congrats to Asus and congrats to Linksys, but Netgear takes the crown. Now, this is my final configuration of my internet in my home. I'm going to unbox the Nighthawk X6S in a moment here, the AC4000 router, but I just want to briefly go over the components that comprise of my internet. First of all, I did upgrade to Comcast Gigabit internet service, which is fantastic. And with that being said, you want to have the equipment to give you the gigabit internet, and that's going to be the modem. We want to start out with the Netgear CM1000. This is a DOCSIS 3.1, which is certified to handle gigabit and beyond for internet. So you definitely got to have something like this first of all. Make sure you do that. The router, of course, is going to be the Nighthawk X6S. And my extender for the second story of my home is going to be the Nighthawk Wi-Fi range extender that has been updated to work with as a mesh node system. So this has been fine for me in the past, and now it's just been upgraded to work perfectly with one SSID name throughout the house. So that is fantastic. Now, the main event. Now, I went with the AC4000 because I had the best, right? I had the Nighthawk X8, which is the new thing now. Now, it's nice having that beefy spaceship-looking router. But let's be honest now. How much of that am I going to be using? I'm only using about half of it right now. Who knows what devices I'm going to get in the future that's going to take advantage of the hyper speeds. So for right now, I need to think clear mind, budget conscience. I want to go with something right in the middle or above middle. This is going to be the AC4000. That'll be higher than the 3100 that I had with Asus, and not so crazy with the top-end Nighthawk or the AD, which I don't need. So I'm going to settle with this guy. Now, I say settle, I am going to be very, very happy with the Spider Nighthawk. Triple band, 64-bit, dual-core processor. All right, let's get this unboxed, guys. Black pin. Okay, this is it, guys. This is no matter what, guys, this is it. I'm not switching anymore. Nighthawk reigns supreme. Rafcave. Let's look at some specs here. There's your specs. Triple band. Very nice. Very nice. Fast Wi-Fi speeds. There's the contents. Make sure you download the app from the box. Here we go. Box troubles. Box troubles. Box troubles. Holy cow, this is in there good. There we go. Holy cow, it's bigger than I thought. It is a flagship router right here, guys. Oh man. All right, quick start. Booklet with the antennas up. Very nice large power brick, full power. And your standard Cat 6 wire. All right, take this guy out. Wow, here it is, guys. Nighthawk. Very cool front design. There's the back of it. Download the Netgear Up app. And then these antennas just fold up, all of them. Six Wi-Fi antennas. There it is, guys. I'm going to get it installed. Be right back. Alright guys, here is the Netgear modem, CM1000 up and running. That is the heart of the gigabit speed coming in. Now moving on to the new Nighthawk. Alright guys, got it plugged in. The Nighthawk X6S. Got the antennas spread out. Looking awesome. I do like the light configuration on here. Dang. That is some pretty looking lights there. Alright, I'm going to start loading up the app, the Netgear app that it says right here. Download that app, go through the prompts, get it all going, and then I'll work on the extender. Nice. Right back. And there's the extender. Netgear AC1900 extender hooked up through mesh node. All lights are on. 2.4 5G strong signal, all through one SSID through the mesh Netgear network. Done. Freaking done. Finally. Alright guys, this is it. Look for this guy's extender mesh. And then that router downstairs is a beast. Alright, I'm done. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so I'm going to do a speed test. We're at xfinityspeedtest.com. That's what I just got. I'm going to do one more test here for you. See where I'm at. Click. And this is the Xfinity Gigabit Internet Service running to the Rafcave. Look at that, 10,070. Well, we gotta throttle it. Can't give me that much. Nice. 923.8. And our fine upload at 40. That's my son playing Fortnite. Alright guys, there it is. The current Rafcave bandwidth. 923.8 megabits down. 41 upload. Fantastic. Hey guys. Rafcave. So after hooking up the Nighthawk X6S, it looks awesome, as you can see right here. The way it looks, the way the antennas spread out, the huge base station in the middle with the row of lights, it just looks pretty dang cool. I'm very pleased with the way it looks. So far, I'm getting excellent speeds like I've gotten with the others, but I'm really hoping that with the extender that I have upstairs, the AC1900, that it all works well with one name for everything. So Netgear through and through for me, starting with the modem to the router and to the mesh extender upstairs. I am fully Netgear certified here. I'm going to stick with this, guys. Believe me this time. No more going back. Netgear it is in the Rafcave. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Everything is fantastic. Very happy with this. Like, comment, subscribe, and comment below if you have Netgear at home and if you're pleased with it. Because I am crossing the fingers that I am done with the Wi-Fi tour of routers and mesh setups. I'm done. Alright guys, thanks for watching this. I'll see you in the next one. As always, home theater rules.